Welcome to another flash update. Though we're gonna do this again in a podcast form since I'm working so hard para may gawa para sa birthday ni Clara. Clara of a Dion, I think. That's one from Dion. Medyo inactive sa P-pop group na yon sa ngayon. And I won't tell anything much more, but yeah. And the good news is, it was posted last Sunday. We're opening the Q&A. Yeah, we're making such Q&A with Clara, and it's going to be posted via PMG archive, and that is going to be aired as part of the next episode of Chloe Laborations by July 20th. Yes, July 20th, we'll be posting it. And that's the day on when Manny is going to be back on the boxing for the World Welterweight Championship. Yeah, the Sea World Welterweight Championship, WBC versus Barrios. Versus Mario Barrios. And not Mario baka imbang Mario ang pinag-usapan dito. Ay nako, it's Manny Pacquiao versus Mario Barrios. And it's going to be held on July 19 in Las Vegas, Nevada. July 20 dito we aren't sure kung mayroon talagang telecast, but magpapalapasin yung laban na yan. Then we should do that in the evening for the Chloe Laborations Project Episode 2. So abangan nyo yan, two big events, laban ni Manny and Chloe Laborations. Okay, so let's start off with the gaming. I know all of you are excited with the Nintendo Switch 2. So June 5 was actually the release in the United States. Pero I'm sure you aren't impressed with the battery life and the performance itself, but neutral lang ako kasi I really like on how they look forward to a new game. It's just like Mario Kart World. Meron yung mga new characters, meron si Kao. Ba't naging si Kao talaga yung naging character si Kao sa Mario Kart eh. And then the original characters of the Super Mario Kart. Yeah, and there are many more characters to choose from. Lalo na si Blooper, including Blooper, Goomba, and everything. Okay, so going on with the price right now on the Nintendo Switch 2, whether if it's a maximum suggested or minimum, basta MSRP, for me it's actually like maximum suggested retail price. So the Nintendo Switch 2 in America is cost like almost $450. So let's do it in the exact way. That's $449.99. So this is actually close to $500. But if you choose the one with the Mario Kart bundle, that's add $50 for you. So that's nearly $500 already. For the Philippines, it was set to release, including some parts of Southeast Asia, that's on June 26. The price locally is this. It doubles the price than the original and the light version. So the price is 31,999 Philippine pesos. Ang mahal, di ba? Mahal talagang pag sa mga bagong henerasyon yung mga laro na yan. It's not about the tariffs, It's like the history goes by. Talagang binabago na yung mga games dito, not like the older ones. Well, some people just stick with the emulator and then, boom, you actually don't have an hassle for that. But if you're going to buy a real console, which that really needs a big support, which you cannot do anything, but there's no emulator for that. Also recently, but I'm not gonna name drop on which senator, which is actually, it starts with letter P, so it's a senator, which is a sponsor of the Senate Bill number 2805 or the MTRCB Act. Yeah, that is actually the new law said that the board should be authorized to regulate as well, not only for television, but also it will include the online streaming platforms in its regulatory powers. Yeah, the video content to maintain the standards of redundancy and morality expected by the Filipinos. He also emphasized that the measure will extend the MTRCV's mandate to cover online media and streaming sites. No, I am not impressed with the new law. Kaka-courtesy resignation lang si Lala Soto. But this time, MTRCB is going to do something even worse. It's not about the some kind of unnecessary censorship, but it's like they wanted to ban one of those good things. It's like they have to find something weird quality like there. But unlike the Western ones, they're actually really good. You have to be it because we are actually on a digital stage. Because I know that it's actually where like in USA that most people are already sticking with online or the digital stuff. Yeah, we are currently in the digital world, and linear TV, the household linear, like with using the over the air cable, they're actually declining and they're sticking up with the online like YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Netflix, Disney Plus, HBO Max, and many more. So this is actually the law that we really don't like. And what happens if that's going to be approved, then we may apply that MTRCB right at the bottom of the screen. Can you put that thing up there? Can you put that down there, please? But yeah, this is actually the example just like the one that we did in 2019, but some of you may not be approved about that. But yeah, this is actually the thing that we should prepare. So gagawin namin na naman to. If the law, if that passes the law, then we don't have any choice. So we have to be careful. And some of the swear words will maybe blip. This is actually what is going to happen on television. So alam nyo na, blips and blurs, whether they need it or not. So, talagang, we definitely need it or not talaga. Kasi, MTRCB is right there. They can actually suspend a lot of shows. They can cancel it. Talagang i-review. Tas kung ano isasama yung mga episodes. Tas nag-meeting na naman yan. Ay, apakawalang kwentang batas na yan. This is unacceptable. And also, last Saturday, we went to farmer's market kasi doon ako inaabangan. Because after I saw one of the videos it's actually from a viral video. Yeah, it's actually from Christopher Diwata, who made a kalokalike of Taylor Lautner from the Twilight series. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he is the one saying this line. This is actually not really the actual scene, but it's actually a funny skit to the Filipino audience, as you've seen in Showtime. It's been a decade right now. Hanggang ngayon, ma'am, yung maririnig nyo pa rin, and it's still trending and trending like this. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? I know, vampires, right? Pinapractice ko lang yung boses niya. And yeah, this is not an accident, but I just wanted to look forward. Yeah, this is actually from an opening store, and that's the only store just yet in Metro Manila for Walk It Out. If you're not confused with Work It Out, it's not a gym store or a fitness gym. It's a restaurant, Taiwanese related. It's a Taiwanese style restaurant. Local business siya. We just wanted to advise that we have to support small or local business, even though it is big. Yeah, we have to still support them. And then I just saw that he's gonna make a short guest, even though bibisitahin lang sa mga tindahan, pati sa mag-inasal, binisitahan din. Tas nag-online video pa siya, yung kahit short ad, pero it's not on TV, sa Shopee. And now I've just tried for the very first time. It's not actually just for him, but the opening of the event, the opening of the restaurant itself. Tas yung pagkain nito, it has lots of food. So I've tried. This one is actually based on the picture right there. This is Taiwanese chicken chops. Even though I just put some of the chili oil, I know my dad recommends me to eat some chili, but okay lang kahit mga chili oil. Chili oil is actually good for the blood cells. It is actually based on also on my research. Yeah, it it really feels like itutuloy lang yung itutuloy lang. Yes, matutuloy talaga siya ng blood flow and yeah, this is and yeah, and the taste is really good and it is really brilliant. So I rate this 10 out of 10 even though opening pa siya, napaka-crispy on the outside. And lastly, everyone knows about the Nintendo Switch 2. So we've got some short tips right there. The first thing right there is some of the Switch 2 users got some negative feedback because there's something they put a staple around the receipt, I think. So that better not do that because kasi masisira talaga yun sa screen. And also, the second thing is which the Nintendo asks the NS2 users not to remove the protective film, which is actually parang hindi siya waterproof or dustproof yata yun. But yeah, that's really good for those who is ordering NS2. Think first. Tapos, based on my observation of Mario Kart World, even though I didn't experience to play the game yet, pangabala ko susubukan pero grabe. Why is everyone picking a character that came from a farm from Old MacDonald? Because we got a cow as a playable character that races all over the courses. Each courses that has a cow that can do stunts on the wire. Oh no. The game has a cow but they don't have a chicken. Dad was proud but he didn't care how. Ay nako. Naalala to guys, that was my favorite childhood show. Ito, Cow and Chicken. Yan yung sa ito. Okay, and that really ends my monologue though I don't have any much ideas to say. Muntik ako mamigraine nito kasi mag-headline pa ako para sa birthday ni Clara. Here's the shoutout at the end of this video. Most of them are captured in the past few months.
Shoutout sa'yo, Philip. Nasa harap kita ngayon. Binibidyohan mo. Ingat ka palagi. Hi, Philip! Kumusta po? God bless.
Hi, Philip! I hope to see you soon. Thank you sa pag-support. And yun nga, magkita. Keep streaming and keep running.
Hi, Philip! Hi, Philip! Thank you sa pagpunta. And ang ganda ng costume mo. Thank you. I love you. Hi, Philip! Thank you for coming.